up? This is Andrew Shatbassin again. I'm here at the local pond and I'm going to be throwing a Squarebill crankbait, one of my favorite baits of all time. I made that mistake once, chopped off like an inch of my rod. I got so mad, never done that again. Oh, I got one. Oh. Big old boy. Oh, I almost snapped my rod there. All right, got a nice bass. First one of the day. Sweet, on the Squarebill. All right, first fish of the day right there. It's a nice one. Let's weigh her real quick. All right, first one of the day. Nice one. A little over 3 pounds. Gonna go for the release. All right, so that concludes my day fishing at the local pond again. I caught that one pretty good fish on the Squarebill crankbait, and I didn't get any bites on the spinnerbait. It was just kind of a slow day. I didn't have too much time either. I only had like an hour, a little over an hour there. But tomorrow I should be going for some crappie and maybe some bass at a pond I know near the Potomac, and maybe some catfish later in the weekend. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.